Hello, industrial automation world. I hope all is well wherever you are. I'm Philip Lister with Scott Equipment Company in Charlotte, North Carolina. I don't know about you, but I've been in this business for a long time now, over 4 decades. And one of the questions I get, and you probably fielded it more than once yourself, is the polite, "What do you do?" I used to say that I was an engineer, or, time permitting, I might say that I was a controls engineer, since I used to write a lot of PLC code back in my younger days. But lately I just say, I work for Scott Equipment Company and we like to make things move. Or I might even quote our president, Jeff Scott, who recently made the comment, making things move and making customers happy is what we do. Of course, I'm always asked what it is specifically that we make move in our efforts to make our customers happy. Given that green light, I dive into my explanation that we're a high-tech industrial automation distributor that focuses on assisting our Carolina-based OEM and end-user customers in their efforts to accomplish their objectives, whether it's building the machines that make stuff or just making stuff. At Scott Equipment Company, we curate an impressive list of specialized companies from ABB Robotics all the way to Unitronics PLCs. We also have access to world-class components from companies such as SMC, Colmorgan, Schunk, Linmot, Oinkner, Merlectronic, Koval, Tolomatic, and Schmerzel, all premier vendors in our ever-evolving industry that also happens to be focused on making things move. Many of those products are on display in our popular Scott Equipment Company demo van. If you want to immerse yourself in the latest, greatest industrial automation technologies known to man, let us bring it to your place of business so you and your colleagues can check it out. Hey, we might even bring donuts. Another cool value-add feature that we offer at Scott Equipment Company is our We Build It, You Install It program, which is as simple as it sounds. In addition to having over a half dozen account managers roaming the Carolinas to help our customers, we also have a team of degreed engineers on staff. That tech team has over 200 years of combined engineering expertise. We utilize that tribal knowledge to assist with integration projects that are too large for our end-user customers and too small for our integrator partners to consider. We work with your team to design a solution for your problem. Then we build it and deliver it to you. These could be custom PLC panels or unique end effectors for your robots and cobots. So yeah, I have a very cool job. I often tell folks that ever since I began working for Scott Equipment Company, which has been over 5 years ago, I've yet to go to bed on a Sunday evening dreading Monday morning. I hope you're that lucky.